afternoon, gentlemen.
Yep.
Thank you for coming to the Dell Microsoft Hybrid Cloud launch. It's the first of its kind in this region. I'd like to introduce a couple of guests to this session. Stephen Yong is the BG lead for Cloud and Enterprise, Microsoft Malaysia. And this is Wong Chi Woon. He's the MD for Peering One, a cloud provider in Malaysia. All right, gentlemen, welcome.
Thank you.
Firstly, Microsoft has been Microsoft has been a provider of public Azure services for some time now, and of course, being a public offering, a cloud offering, today we're launching a hybrid cloud version of it, right? So how do you see this hybrid version of cloud services complement your public Azure services?
Thanks for comment, William. Definitely, I'm excited to be part of this engagement. Because this engagement is not just about bringing technology, it's about bringing innovation to support customers from various business sides to adopt cloud. I think the significance for today here is being a hybrid, because we know that basically not many enterprise customers will have the ability to move straight into the public cloud, whether it's due to regulation, due to sovereign rights. We believe that through this hybrid cloud that you have, that we co-engineer together, will allow the enterprise customers to choose their journey, where their ability to implement on the private cloud first, and the ability to move into the hybrid and into the public cloud according to the business need. So I think this is the natural journey that we believe that the enterprise customers will go through in this kind of hybrid environment itself.
So you hear it from Microsoft themselves, the journey to the public Azure is via a hybrid approach, where you can actually have a private cloud, Azure version of private cloud in your local data center, all right? And then from there, you can now connect to the public Azure, and then you have choice. Is that right, Stephen?
Yes, correct.
Excellent. Now,
yes,
you've been in the local cloud business for some time now. How long has that been?
Today, Peering One, with the 5th year.
Wow.
I think in terms of data center,
All right.
hosting, right, and also managed services for data center in Malaysia. So we operate a tier 3 data center, and we offer that the services for the past 5 years. And for the last year, we actually become a Microsoft COSIM partner, Cloud OS network partner, right? Which we using the Microsoft technology, basically Microsoft Azure consistent platform, which hosted in our data center, and start to offer infrastructure as a service to our customers. The whole vision of moving to the cloud, where they see that the one consistent platform from Azure services, public Azure services, to consistent platform hosted environment data center, and also to private cloud, right, which resides in customer data centers. Okay, and I think we are as excited as Dell today with the launch of the DSCS platform, and also the reason because it's also a platform that is certified by Microsoft as a CPS platform, which basically have the consistent technology and also proven on the Dell's hardware infrastructure. Okay, so how do we see hybrid, right? So I think today, as we engage to our enterprise customer today, all the enterprise customers today, they either already have a cloud strategy or in the midst of planning to that. Okay, so and we believe that the next 3 to 5 years is really the adoptions for the enterprise customers, which means they are looking into really moving their workloads to the cloud or migrating the workloads to the cloud. Okay, and so I think one of the we see that challenges for enterprise customers, right? I think we see that it's not as Stephen has put it. Okay, it's not possible to move the entire enterprise workload to the cloud, right? And most of the enterprise customers will move in the phases approach. Okay, and this is where hybrid, right, will play an important part of that, right, which allows the enterprise customers to plan, right, whether it's to move certain workloads to the cloud where certain current infrastructure sits in the data centers. Okay, and also allow the time to allow the customers to re-platform or redevelop the applications to the more cloud services applications.
Yep.
Okay, so I think we see that the hybrid is going to be the catalyst, right, or just going to accelerate the whole cloud adoptions for enterprise. And we're also very excited that today with DACS, because that also allows the enterprise customers to have options on the private cloud with a consistent with the Azure stack. We have a consistent platform, right, on their private cloud and to the hosted or the public cloud services.
Well, you hear it from Chivun himself. Again, the hybrid is a gateway and gives customers option as they embark on their cloud journey. All right, Chivun, I want to ask you another question. Now, you are a cloud provider with your data center only in Malaysia. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so what value does that give to our enterprise customers?
I think having a cloud that is hosted in Malaysia locally, I think we address some of the issues that or consideration for some of the customers moving the cloud in terms of regulatory, right, data sovereignty, okay, on control, okay, and also have some predictability, right. So that we are not saying that we are becoming a public cloud provider, but it's merely as a stopgap or as options for the customers that to consider some of the workloads to host in our data center, and they can see the benefit, the platform as a service, the public Azure, right, and maybe some of the services hosted in the private clouds.
Okay, excellent. Okay, Stephen, see that today we're launching the hybrid cloud platform of Microsoft and Dell. It's a co-engineered solution. How would this improve the Microsoft public Azure market, in your opinion?
Well, I think basically it will definitely provide an option for the enterprise customers, the ability for them to choose to accelerate their cloud adoptions.
Okay.
Because now the questions of whether it is a regulatory or data sovereignty rights, the ability to choose to implement depending on their business term from there. I think basically from this particular partnership or this solution ability, the customers have the confidence to implement at the level where they're comfortable, either at the public cloud first, where they have definitely have the experience and exposure for them to run through the what we call the adoption. And once they're comfortable, depending on workload, they will be able to move into the public cloud from there through the hybrid. We believe that through this model, it will allow the customers to have confidence that cloud is not just an end goal, but it's a journey. It's a journey for them to move into this direction itself.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you very much. Today is our Dell Hybrid Cloud launch, and you heard it from Microsoft, Stephen, and you heard of Peering One, Chivun, and this is a new offering in Malaysia. First of its kind. It's a co-engineered hybrid cloud solution. My name is William Tan from Dell, and thank you for joining us in our launch.
Thank you.
Thank you.